Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's style. A beautiful day to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's styles. I have short natural hairstyles to really make your day and work week. It's a new week and these gorgeous styles are for every black woman. Is indeed a haircut that will take many years of your age, and this haircut can be achieved. This haircut can be achieved using your MIELLE kit. You can also achieve those coils by also using the cow's daughter. We've talked about the cow's daughter, we've talked about the MIELLE, so we can also use the coil activator cream or even the coil sauce. And these products are not expensive. They are products that's within your reach. If you can get them from your local shops around you, you can check them on Amazon online and you're going to get it at your doorstep. So this style, you can see, is just achieved by a twist out on your hair. It's just twisting out the strands of your hair. You can see this particular one is so gorgeous. They are so beautiful. All you have to do is just pick some strands of hair. You try to coil it and you can see dry your hair, and once it's dried, you will achieve those coils on your screen. So indeed, this coil is a classic haircut that will take many years of your age, and it's a haircut that will fit all black women. So if you really want to look gorgeous or you're confused on the kind of style to do, you can achieve this coils right at home. You don't really need sometimes to visit the barber, because sometimes when you visit the barber, you will start thinking of the way to maintain that coils you've achieved from the salon. But most times it's good you visit the barber or your stylist, then from the next day you start styling the hair at home. And that is why we'll bring to you guys a wash and go hairstyles, styles that are so easy that will not take much time, because sometimes when you style it at the salon, all you have to do is just look at the mirror, use your coiling enhancer cream, just rub on it and you are good to go. Because as long as they've already done it at the salon, if you can't do it at home, just rub the cream and rub your either oil sheen, or you use a coconut oil or argan oil. This will make the hair to shine and be moisturized, for all days. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds on how you feel about those hairstyles in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Still log on when the stars for more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for